Welcome back, and today I'll show you how to purchase the Game Pass on Xbox Series X. So all you have to do is ensure that you have added a payment method on your Xbox Series X, and I've done a video on how to add a credit card information, and I will link it down in the description below. So once you have added the payment method, power on your console and then access this Xbox homepage, and then from the homepage select the Game Pass option that appears on top of the screen. So select that, and then you'll see a brief description, or you see what Xbox, or rather the Game Pass, is all about. So from here, select the first option, join Ultimate today. So select that, and then you'll see the option join now if you have that amount of money to purchase the Game Pass, the Ultimate Game Pass. Or if you'd like to see other plans that are currently available, select on other plans, and now you can see the Game Pass Standard and the Game Pass Core, and also the Game Pass Ultimate. However, if you have, let's say for example, a redeem code, you can select user code and then type in your PIN first before you proceed, and then type in the 25 character code to redeem that particular code. So for me, I just have enough to buy a Game Pass, so just select other options and then choose the option you prefer. So let's say if I want to purchase the standard Game Pass, so select learn more, and then from here you'll see the option join now, so select join now, and then you'll be prompted to type in your PIN, so type in your PIN. Then from here, you'll be given a brief description about that Game Pass. So it's a recurring billing subscription for that particular Game Pass. Select continue. And then from here, you'll see all the details. The total, including the VAT. So once you are comfortable, just select subscribe and then give it a few seconds to process the money or the amount. So give it a few seconds. Once done, you'll see thanks for your purchase. Now go have some fun. So you have now purchased the Game Pass. So that's basically it on how to purchase the Game Pass on Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.